Hi, I am Arpit Raj, a final year student from Computer Engineering branch at Bharati Vidyapit College of Engineering, Pune. I am thrilled to share that I have been placed at Alliance Bernstein with a package of 11 LPA. It's been an incredible journey and I would love to share how COE helped me get there. What I truly appreciate about the IT curriculum here is that it creates a balance between foundational knowledge and current trends in technology. The subjects are well structured to push us think logically and solve real world problems. Throughout the 4 years, I have had many chances to apply what I have learned, be it lab sessions, projects, or department level tech events. I worked on a project related to brain tumor detections, and thanks to sessions and workshops like Mozilla workshops, which helped me to learn what I have to implement, that makes it easier. COE doesn't just focus on technical growth, it shapes your overall personality. I have been part of many college events like Bhartiyan, which helped me grow out of my comfort zone. The soft skill sessions, mock interviews, and resume building workshops help gave me the confidence to clearly express myself in the interview.